This video will show you Auto Join Communities feature. Right-click on the module to add the account thread module. Select the account to execute in the account thread module. Right-click on the account thread to add community module. Here are two options: search and join. If choose search, you can use keywords to search for communities and then join. Enter keywords. Set search quantity. Select the path to save the searched community. The file name can be modified. This refers to whether the searched community name contains the complete keyword. Right-click on the community module and add another community module. Choose Join. Select the file to save the community. If you choose to use software to search for a community to join, be sure to select the same file in the search community. Here, set the interval time between joining a community successfully and joining the next community. Here, set the waiting time here when your account is restricted. Here, set the maximum number of groups each account can join. If you check it, all executed accounts will not join the community repeatedly. You can also not execute the search community module and directly import the prepared community link. The imported file format is a text, with one link per line. Click Save. Check a random account to see if it has been successfully joined.